So the good thing is, we have 2 rules left, and they're both the same. So we're gonna do them both at the same time. Okay, so 2 scenarios. So we're looking at multiplication first. 2 scenarios. Either the signs are the same or they're different. Right? Now we all know this is just multiplication tables, right? 3 times 5, 15. 2 positives, this answer is positive. Well, keep in mind what a negative was. Remember, we said negative meant opposite. So, for example, I'll write on that in a second, but let me just look at this. If 3 times 5 is 15, and I say I want one of these to be the opposite, then that's going to make the answer the opposite. If I say I want another one to be the opposite, well, that's going to make this be the opposite. So how these opposites are going on really are affecting this really, really simple rule, okay? In multiplying and dividing, if the signs are the same, the answer, how about we use a nice math word? What's the word I want?
Equation.
Instead of answer, since I'm
Sum.
multiplying,
Solution.
since I'm
Product.
multiplying,
Product. Good job.
the product is positive. And the easy way to remember that is those good old multiplication tables. 3 times 5 is 15, and it's positive because both factors were positive. If they're different, the answer is negative. Goodness sake, what happened here? I'm trying to figure out if it's like, if I'm hitting the screen too hard, or what makes them disappear. I don't know. Does that happen to other classes or just me? Is it seriously?
Yeah.
No, it's some sort of science.
Okay, well.
No, it didn't.
So as you're writing that, keep writing this as well. So like 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 3 times negative 6, positive 18. Negative 5 times 2, signs are different, it's negative. 4 times negative 9, negative 36, because the signs are different. Okay? Multiplication and division are truly the easiest to remember.
It says for both of them, signs are the same.
It does, doesn't it? Thanks for catching that. Signs are the different. Oh my goodness, Lord in heaven, help me. So now with dividing, I'm just gonna go through and show you what color do I want. I want a bright one. So if this was dividing, that still holds true. And if this was dividing, that still holds true. Why is that? Because look at the ones we have set up here. If 4 divided by 2, or 4 times 2 is 8, then 8 divided by 2 has to be 4, right? Those fact families you learned about when you were younger. So if negative 3 times negative 6 is 18, well then 18 divided by negative 6 has to be negative 3, etc. So what's going on is it's kind of like a check step for these multiplication rules. Well, it still has to work. So what you're seeing is the signs are the same, the answer's positive, signs are different, the answer's negative. Is your hand up? Okay. The reason this holds true, that I'm not gonna write out for you, because it's not really important that you say it back to me or anything, is multiplication is a shortcut of addition, right? So if I'm adding, let's take this one, negative 5 2 times, negative 5 plus negative 5 is negative 10. Shortcut way to write it. Hard to show negatives in that regard, but if you have negative 3 6 times, you're gonna have negative 18, but then take the opposite. So I mean, it's just a matter of knowing multiplication tables and knowing the opposite changes that sign. The thing you'll probably mess up more than the rules are your multiplication tables. Nah, not you. I think they're an expert. It's like, I could do any multiplication tables under, let's go up to my tens, easily.
That's easy.
What?
No.
What do I hear you saying? We need to do timed multiplication tests. I think so. You seriously can't do 10 times 10?
Oh,
Yes, I can.
You can't do 9 times 8?
I didn't know you were. I thought you were saying that to yourself.
72.
Really?
I did. I thought you were saying I could do, you, like, you could do.
You really should know your multiplication tables up to 12s.
We do.
You really should.
I'm trying to learn.
12 times 12 is 144. 12 times 11 is 132. 11 times 11, 121.
11 times 11
I just said it.
is 116.
121. Yep, I see multiplication tests in your future.
Oh, they're
Plus, they might have negatives thrown in. Oh my, oh my
That
goodness.
one I don't. That I
I
don't.
have no clue actually. I mean, I
You
do.
do now. You got some clue. May not be masters at it yet, but
Yeah, I meant that.
yep.
I am master.
All right, these are gonna go easier than you expect, believe me. Same sign what?
Same size.
Positive.
Different sign what?
Negative.
Same sign what?
Positive.
Same sign what?
Positive.
Oh, I thought I tricked you.
We did the around the world.
Oh, we're gonna work on it first.
We should do it.
Around the
Yeah.
world, and then the other game I have planned is when we actually know things better.
I know.
I have some fun things I think you're gonna enjoy this week doing for integers. So,
I don't like the
I'll leave that up there.
Positive.
All right, green is divide, pink is multiply, just to help you keep track.
Okay. You said pink and.
You don't know if you wanna do this, so I'm gonna start with you, Jim.
No, I don't know them.
Okay, multiplication, signs are different. 9 times negative 4. And you might wanna write these down first time through, everybody. 9 times negative 4. Are the signs same or different?
They are different. I know it.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, it's like, 36.
So what's your full answer?
36. Negative 36.
Signs are different. So the product's negative. Okay? Negative 36. Emma, 12 divided by negative 3.
So the, negative 4.
Negative 4, everybody. Signs are different, so the answer's negative. Brian?
Sure.
Yes. Layla, negative 6. divided by 3?
-2.
-2. Signs are different, the answer is negative. -6 divided by 3, it was -2.
What was 12 divided by -3? 4.
What do you think it was?
-4.
Okay, I'll slow down a bit, but don't take too long. These are single digit, okay. 12, okay. Kayla, -56 divided by -8, multiplication tables.
So it's gonna be it's gonna be it's gonna be.
Stop and think before you answer,
Well, they're the same. So it's gonna be positive.
right? See those dreaded multiplication tables.
Is it 7?
It is 7. 56 divided by 8 is 7. Negative divided by negative is positive, so the answer is 7. Kayla, -6 times -3.
18.
18, same sign, positive. John, -30 divided by -5. It would be 6. Keep telling me to slow down if I go too fast. I keep forgetting you're writing them down. Brian, 14 divided by -7.
14, so it's different, so it's a negative, and it's a -2.
-2. 14 divided by -7 is -2. John, 3 times -6. -18, good. 3 times -6 is -18. Braden, 10 times -2. -20. 10 times -2 is -20. 45 divided by -5. -9. 45 divided by -5 is -9.
And what's the last one?
10 times -2, -20.
Okay, what is 4 plus 5 and -5?
What do you think?
It's gonna be in the negative, so it's -9.
John,
What did Brady just?
that was when you just asked me. No.
That's what I just
This,
answered.
that was this one.
Oh,
Well, 9 divided by -3.
-3.
-3. 9 divided by -3 is -3. Andrew, -9 times -9. Try again. Are the signs the same or different?
Same.
So what's the product when the signs are the same?
The product is, so just
When the signs are the same,
the product is B,
what's P mean?
positive,
Okay, now try this again.
it's inward.
It's 81, right. -9 times -9 is 81. Mark, 5 times -4.
5 times -4, -20.
-20 is right. 5 times -4 is -20.